Hi, welcome to my channel Crazy Code Dunia. We started a new series on logical program called as Logical Program Practice. We cover almost 12 problem. So please visit and go through playlist. Problem we explain step by step and every problem executed on IDE. Today we will see new problem how to find simple interest in Java. So first of all, what is mean by simple interest? So simple interest is P into R into T divided by 100. Means P means principal amount, R means rate of interest, and T means time. So simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So this is simple one. Just we need to take these three as a variable and we take these three variable from user and we will find the our simple interest. So let's go on ID and create a new class. Simple interest. So we will create one main method. We will take one scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner. Inside that system dot in to taking input stream value. The scanner is coming from util class. Now we need to take three input from scanner. Which are those? Input one is principal. We can take as in shortcut P. Second one as a interest. We can take rate. Rate of interest is equal to R. And third one is time. So we can take as a T only. So these three input we require from client. So we will ask client to enter principal amount. Okay. Then we will ask client to enter. So this is principal amount. Then we will ask client same to enter rate of interest. Rate of interest. And then third one enter for time. So in this way we will asking client to enter the value. But whatever the value come inside the SC, we haven't store it into our variable. So I will just assign P is equal to SC dot next int. Next int. So now whatever the value coming from console, I have assigned to P, that is principal amount. Same thing we will assign to rate also, and same thing for T also. So in this way we have taken value from user and now we need to perform the formula. So formula is SI is equal to simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100 divided by 100. So like this we can just put system dot out dot yes interest amount is what is the interest amount SI. So let's save and just run this program as a Java application. So enter the principal amount. I will take 1000 rupees. Then it is asking rate of interest. So rate of interest I will take 3%. Then time, it is not time, it is time. Enter time. So time is 2 month or 2 year. So our interest amount is 60. Got it? So in this way we can find the rate simple interest in Java. Please like and subscribe.